Presido Buhari don't participate for the rehearsal stage for 2023 census. Nigeria Population Commission, when they in charge of census matter for inside Nigeria, don't capture Presido Buhari and household for the rehearsal for 2023 census for inside Daura. Daura dey one of the 6 local governments when them select for the 6 geopolitical zone for inside Nigeria to begin the rehearsal stage for the census. Presido Buhari now be the first person to present himself for the exercise and him household dey number 1. Presido Buhari constantly gives the commission informate when go help them do their work. Chairman for National Population Commission, Nasiru Issa Kwara, come talk say this exercise dey very important and it dey good for Nigerians to participate.
To showcase to Nigerians that it is an important exercise and everybody should embrace it throughout the country. We are doing this census for Nigeria and Nigerians. We are not doing it for Mr. President, but Mr. President is giving us the support to do this because Nigeria has stayed for a long time without accurate population and housing census data. So we are happy Mr. President has been giving this support, and we urge all Nigerians to give the support to the Commission and its functionaries whenever they come calling to be able to get the data that will analyze and prepare for national planning for the development of this country.
The chairman talk say the rehearsal go help them test the materials when them get and make sure say the materials dey in good shape for the census.
We'll be able to test the entire census planning and implementation, logistics arrangement, the equipment that we're using, the maps that we've been able to create, whether they're all functional, so that we can know right now whether we have problem with some of these procedures or methodology or the equipment, so that we can take steps to correct them before the main census.
Nigeria Population and Housing Census go shele for April 2023. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.